prove that the function is continuous at x equals to minus 2. The function is mod of x plus 2, right? Now how do we say that it is continuous? If we put the value of minus 2 at this point, which is equals to minus 2 plus h minus 2 minus h, right? Then it is continuous at this point. Now taking the value minus 2, that is f of minus 2 which is equals to 0, f of minus 2 plus h which is equals to mod of h which is equals to h minus 2 minus h which is equals to minus 2 minus h plus 2, that gives minus of h ka mod, this gives h. Now taking limit h tending to 0, this gives the value 0 and all these values equals, so the function is continuous at x equals to minus 2. Now to test the differentiability at x equals to minus 2, if the right hand side derivative is equals to left hand side derivative, then it is differentiable. Now limit h tending to 0, f of minus 2 plus h minus f of minus 2 upon h. Taking the value of this minus 2 plus h which is h, we know that, and f of minus 2 which is 0, then this gives 1. And at the point f of minus 2 minus h, this is h, minus f of minus 2, this is 0, and minus of h, that's good. This h to h cancel, then this gives minus 1. So this implies that r of f dash of minus 2 which is not equals to l of f dash of minus 2. This implies that function is not differentiable at x equals to minus 2.